Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for all things equisite, tablescaping and dining decor. We believe that dining is not just about the food, it's an art form, an experience, a creative expression that ignites all the senses. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will transform your meals into memorable occasions, your gatherings into enchanting events, and your dining table into a canvas of aesthetic wonders? Then you are in the right place. At Dining Decoration, we are passionate about celebrating the art of dining. We are here to show you that every meal can be an opportunity to create a breathtaking tableau that reflects your style, personality, and the essence of the occasion. Whether it's an intimate dinner for two, festive family feast, or a grand celebration, we have got you covered. Our channel is a heaven for both beginners and experienced hosts who want to take their dining experiences to the next level. Join us as we delve into a treasure trove of innovative ideas, tried and true techniques, and ingenious dye projects that will make you the master of table decor. Through our meticulously crafted tutorials, we will guide you through the entire process, from selecting the finest linens and choosing the perfect centerpiece, to arranging cutlery with precision and adding those magical finishing touches. We will help you understand color palettes, explore various themes, and find inspiration in unexpected places so that you can curate tablescapes that leave